That's more like it. So basically, the vision I have for the garage is to redo it and doing a complete overhaul. And I hope you guys enjoy it once I lay it all out. So basically what I'll be doing, I'll be painting the roof black. The reason why I'm painting the roof black is that I've actually seen it online, and I've also heard it helps with reflections. I know having a full detailed video of the black E30 here inside the garage once it's finished. Not only does it help with lights, it also looks better in my opinion. I also got the trending honeycomb lights, as you can see up here. Company is Hyperlite. They might not be great, but we're going to test them out. We also got garage wall shelving. This is the thing I've been the most excited for. Shout out to Jacob over at Swisstrax. Ordered them, they packaged them, they shipped them all on the same day. It arrived on my doorstep 2 days later. Couldn't be more grateful. So if you're interested in getting your own set of Swisstrax, I'm gonna link it down in the description below. These are probably the best thing for any car guy's garage. So let's get into it. Let's stop talking. I gotta do a couple things. Probably gonna mask off the roof and we're gonna get to painting. So as you can see, I just finished up all the masking. So I'm gonna probably start in that corner, just trim the edges before I start laying down some heavy coats. But it is dumping outside and it's roasting in this garage. So I'm gonna set you guys back up on the tripod and I'm gonna get painting. So the camera actually died. I had to switch out the batteries. But as you can see, this is what I've gotten done to the roof so far. It's been about 30 minutes since the last time I picked up the camera. We got a good portion of the roof taken care of. I actually ran to Home Depot and grabbed 2 more cans of paint because I ran out. We should be able to finish everything up today and knock out the rest of this roof. So I'm gonna put you guys back on the tripod and probably time lapse the rest of the painting of the roof. So, as you can see, well, half the garage is done. Might call it a day. Come back tomorrow, finish it up. It's a lot of fucking work. Try to get a little bit more done tonight. Come back fresh tomorrow, because I'm cooked. So far, drying pretty even, pretty smooth, super black. Exactly how I want it. Gotta touch up a little bit on the edges here, but for the first coat, it's coming along pretty decently. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
What's going on, guys? It's the next day. Last night was super fucking tiring, but as you can see, I actually ended up finishing up the ceiling. It's not perfect, probably needs a little touch up here and there, but it's good enough for me. Today's probably the most exciting day that I've been waiting for. We're gonna install these honeycomb lights. So I've actually already opened up one of the packages for the honeycomb lights, just so I can see what's actually inside of it. Looks like it comes with a power cord, which is nice. I dug into it just to see if it was a 3-wire. I'm gonna splice that into the roof light so it works off the main switch. But it comes with all the things you need. It comes with a connector, it comes with some extra zip ties, instructions with dimensions, some drywall mounts, and some wire nuts. So let's get into hanging these lights and see what they actually look like. I'm so excited for this. These are actually pretty good quality. I was honestly surprised. It looks like it's just a hollow tube with like LED strip lights in it. I wonder if you guys can see that. It's like LED strip lights in it. They're actually super lightweight. Get all these out. Let's see where we can go from there. I got everything laid out on the floor right now, and it looks pretty simple to put together. They come with pretty much a step-by-step installation guide to put these things together. So this will be pretty sick, it's pretty easy. Let's slap one of these together and just get an overall idea of how wide it'll be. That way we can see on the roof how far we have to measure long ways and width ways. Alright, so we got the light actually put together. As you can see, I also changed. This Florida sun's kicking my ass. I sweated through my last outfit, so had to put on a freshie, but we got the light together. It's honestly bigger than I thought, which is great. And I think it'll work perfectly for where I want to place it at. Since I parked the cars about center mass, as you can see the other E30, about halfway in the garage, I want to put the lights right between this recessed light and the garage door. And I think it'll fit perfectly. So we're gonna take some measurements. We're gonna toss the light up on the roof and see how it fits. So that was a pain in the ass, but we got the lights hung up. Dude, they look sick. So I'm actually gonna try to plug them in and see how bright they are. So I'm gonna close the garage, shut the door, see how bright these lights really are. Right now I have the garage closed, so it's really dark in here. I have the garage light on, but not none of the switches. We're gonna plug these honeycomb lights in and see how bright they really are. Dude, that is insane. Holy shit, dude, that came out so good. I don't think you guys have any idea how great this looks like on film. Like, let me bring you guys over here. Holy shit, dude. Crazy to me to think that I've always wanted these in my garage and now I have them in my home garage. Like, just look at that, that's insane. Holy shit. Now, they look crazier in person than you do on camera. But overall, I'm super excited how these turned out. So I'm gonna rinse and repeat and do the exact same thing on the other side of the garage. I took measurements pretty much. It actually ended up being 31.5 inches from the wall, the front and the back, to center it in the garage. So it's 31.5 from the center of the garage, and it's 31.5 from the wall. So it's directly in the middle of the garage. And dude, these things look so sick. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm gonna wire up the lights to connect with the switch on the house. We got them both up, and dude, it is so bright in here. Like, it's unrealistic how much these add to the aesthetics of the garage. So excited to have these up, dude. And I think the black roof came out pretty decent. Only thing I have left to do is I have to run to Lowe's and grab some stuff to hardwire these to the roof lights on both sides. Once they're wired in, the garage build, part 1, will be finished. The hardest part of the garage was the roof, and I'm so happy how it turned out. So let's run to Lowe's, grab some tools, and wire these things into the switch. done. Dude, these look amazing. Look at them. Jesus, look at them. You can see how bright they are. Honestly, I'm surprised they're as good as they are. I was expecting them, honestly, to be kind of cheesy because they are from Amazon. But I mean, just look at that. Look how bright it makes the garage. I mean, they look absolutely incredible. I don't know if you guys can see this on film, but in person, they look amazing, dude. I'm so excited. I really want to get this done before I started actually working on the E30. That way I have light in here. I'm probably going to break this video down to 2 parts. I think that's enough for one weekend. I'm exhausted. It was a lot of work for one person. So if you ever are interested in doing this, I'm going to put all the stuff I used and the links in the description below. So feel free to go and check them out. They are from Amazon. Other than that, I mean, I'm happy how they turned out. It's not perfect, but I mean, look at that. Sheesh. That's incredible. So, as I said, I'm going to continue this into part 2. Part 2 will probably be me installing the Swisstrax, hanging up the wall racks, and hanging up my shelving. Then I'll finally be able to kind of straighten up all this junk I have. Thank you guys for sticking around this long. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
What? This is the shit that my daddy had raised me on. Niggas got lit off the features I skated on.